Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. Now we begin this evening with news from the Paris Olympics, where Jamaica earned 2 medals in the field events. Rajendra Campbell created history when he became the first Jamaican to medal in the men's shot put at the Olympics. Shanika Ricketts also mined silver in the women's triple jump. We will have more on those stories as well as on the blue ribbon event, the women's 100 meters, later in Prime Time Sports.